Today we are learning about mining. How the location identification of mining and more detailed information. As we are going to start the learning process, before that please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, so you get the notification when I upload the new video. Mining site identification involves a systematic process considering various factors to ensure optimal resource extraction and operational efficiency. Preliminary screening process. Potential areas for mining facilities are identified through a preliminary screening process that involves geographical analysis. Factors for site selection. Identification of effective factors for mineral processing plant site selection includes library studies and addressing current problems caused by unsuitable locations. Factor rating process. The factor rating method consists of determining relevant and important factors, assigning weights to each factor, and calculating a total weight of 1.00 for effective decision-making in facility location. Identification of crucial factors. Mine productivity and cost-effectiveness depend on various factors, including geographical considerations and operational efficiency. Considerations for site selection. Accessibility, competitor compatibility, and other factors are crucial considerations when selecting a mining site for optimal operations. Evaluation studies. Evaluation studies for new mining projects involve preliminary processing, mining rates, construction design criteria, and flow sheet analysis to identify the best location. Mining site identification integrates geological, environmental, and operational factors to ensure sustainable and efficient resource extraction. Mining has a rich history that spans thousands of years and has evolved significantly over time. The process of mining involves extracting valuable minerals or other geological materials from the earth. Here's a brief overview of how mining started in its historical development. Prehistoric mining. The earliest forms of mining can be traced back to prehistoric times when humans began extracting flint and other minerals for tools and weapons. Stone Age people mined flint by digging pits and tunnels to reach deposits. Ancient civilizations. Ancient civilizations, such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, engaged in mining for various metals like gold, silver, copper, and iron. These early mining activities were often labor-intensive and involved manual excavation methods. Medieval and Renaissance periods. During the medieval period, mining expanded in Europe, with advancements in techniques for extracting metals. Water-wheel-powered machinery was introduced to facilitate mining operations. Colonial Era. European colonial powers engaged in extensive mining activities in their overseas colonies, extracting valuable resources like gold, silver, and diamonds. Mining played a crucial role in the economic development of colonies. Industrial Revolution. The 18th and 19th centuries marked a significant shift in mining with the advent of the Industrial Revolution. Steam engines and later electric power revolutionized mining operations, enabling deeper and more efficient extraction of minerals. Modern mining. In the 20th century, mining technologies continued to advance, with the introduction of advanced machinery, explosives, and safety measures. Large-scale open-pit mining and underground mining operations became standard practices for extracting various minerals. Environmental concerns. In recent decades, there has been an increased awareness of environmental impacts associated with mining, leading to efforts to develop more sustainable and responsible mining practices. Technological advances. Modern mining employs sophisticated technologies such as satellite imaging, computer modeling, and automation to optimize exploration, extraction, and processing. Today, mining remains a vital industry, supplying raw materials for various sectors like manufacturing, construction, and energy production. However, it also faces challenges related to environmental sustainability, social responsibility, and resource depletion, prompting ongoing efforts to address these issues in the mining industry. Several massive mining projects throughout history have significantly impacted the global mining industry. Here are details about some of the biggest mining projects. Bingham Canyon Mine, USA. Located in Utah, this open-pit copper mine is one of the world's largest man-made excavations. It has been in operation since 1906 and has produced vast amounts of copper, gold, and silver. The mine's pit is over 0.75 miles deep and 2.5 miles wide. Grasberg Mine, Indonesia. Operated by Freeport-McMoRan, the Grasberg Mine is one of the world's largest gold and copper mines. It is in Papua Province. The mine's open pit and underground operations have significant reserves of copper and gold. Escondido, Chile. Escondido, located in the Atacama Desert, is the world's largest copper mine. It has been operational since the early 1990s. The mine produces a substantial percentage of the world's copper supply. Oyu Tolgoi, Mongolia. This copper and gold mine is one of the largest mining projects globally, situated in the South Gobi Desert. Oyu Tolgoi has both open pit and underground mining operations. Sishen Mine, South Africa. Operated by Kumba Iron Ore, Sishen Mine is one of the largest open-pit iron ore mines in the world. It has been in operation since the 1950s and plays a significant role in the global iron ore market. Ekati Diamond Mine, Canada. Located in the Northwest Territories of Canada, Ekati is one of the first diamond mines in North America. The mine has produced high-quality diamonds since its opening in the late 1990s. Cerro Verde, Peru. Cerro Verde is one of the largest copper mines in Peru, and it is a major contributor to the country's copper production. The mine has both open pit and underground operations. Super Pit, Australia. Located in Western Australia, the Super Pit is one of the world's largest open pit gold mines. It has been in operation since 1989 and produces a significant portion of Australia's gold. These mining projects represent the scale and impact of human activities in extracting valuable resources from the earth. However, it's important to note that large-scale mining operations often raise environmental and social challenges, and there is a growing emphasis on responsible and sustainable mining practices. One of the most challenging and complex mining projects in history is the Tedi Mine in Papua New Guinea. The difficulties faced by this project are primarily related to environmental and social issues. Tedi Mine, Papua New Guinea. Location and environment. The Tedi Mine is situated in a remote and environmentally sensitive region of Papua New Guinea, surrounded by dense rainforests and the Fly River. The geographical isolation and challenging terrain made logistics and infrastructure development exceptionally difficult. Riverine tailings disposal. One of the most controversial aspects of the Tedi Mine was the practice of riverine tailings disposal. The mine initially released tailings and waste directly into the Tedi River, causing extensive environmental damage downstream, affecting aquatic life and local communities. Environmental impact. The environmental impact of the mine, including deforestation, water pollution, and habitat destruction, led to significant public outcry and legal battles. Social consequences. Displacement of indigenous communities and the disruption of traditional ways of life contributed to social challenges. The affected communities experienced adverse health effects, loss of livelihoods, and cultural disruptions. Litigation and remediation efforts. The environmental and social issues associated with the Tedi Mine led to legal battles and international attention. Efforts were made to address the environmental impact, including the construction of a tailings dam to contain waste and minimize riverine disposal. The Tedi Mine serves as a stark example of the intricate challenges associated with large-scale mining projects, especially in ecologically sensitive and culturally significant areas. It also underscores the importance of responsible mining practices and the need to balance economic development with environmental and social considerations. The ongoing management and remediation efforts at Tedi continue to be complex and multifaceted. Now we are discussing what is the scariest part of mining fatalities. Before that, I am putting forward a request for channel subscription. I hope you will consider it by pressing the subscribe button. Mining has witnessed tragic disasters throughout history, causing loss of life and significant environmental damage. Here are some of the worst incidents. Benshihu Colliery Mining Disaster, China, April 26, 1942. The deadliest mining disaster in history, with over 1,500 fatalities, occurred at the Benshihu coal mine in China during World War II. Corrières coal mine disaster, France, 1906. The Corrières disaster in France resulted in the death of around 1,099 miners, making it one of the deadliest coal mine accidents in history. Mitsubishi Hojo coal mine disaster, Japan, 1914. In Japan, the Mitsubishi Hojo coal mine disaster claimed the lives of 687 miners, marking one of the significant mining tragedies. Crandall Canyon Mine, Utah, USA, August 6, 2007. The Crandall Canyon mine collapse in Utah led to the death of 6 workers, highlighting the dangers of underground coal mining. Chasnala Coal Mine, Dhanbad, India, December 1975. The Chasnala coal mine disaster in India resulted in 372 deaths, illustrating the risks associated with mining operations. These incidents underscore the importance of stringent safety measures and regulatory oversight in the mining industry to prevent such devastating events. Thanks for watching.